I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and clearing a flat, clean workspace. This prevents dust and accidental taps. Once done, warm the screen gently with a hairdryer or heat pad to about 30-40 degrees C for 20-30 seconds. That softens adhesive so the protector peels evenly. Next, lift one corner using your fingernail or a thin plastic pick. Do this slowly so you create a pocket you can slide a thin card into. Make sure you control the angle to avoid cracking. With the initial pocket established, slide a thin card or guitar pick under the corner and keep it nearly flat at a 20-30 degrees angle. That reduces stress on glass. You should peel in a slow, steady motion along one edge. Steady speed prevents adhesive tearing or adhesive residue. If you feel strong resistance, pause and reheat briefly. Once softened, continue peeling. If the protector starts to crack, change to lifting small sections, sequentially from the edges toward the center. Finish by laying the protector off the screen using your free hand to guide it straight up. This prevents bending and shards from contacting the display. Once removed, inspect for adhesive residue. Clean with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of 70% isopropyl alcohol on the cloth, not directly on the screen. Make sure to fit a new protector quickly or put the case back on to avoid dust. If a section won't lift, reheat that spot or carefully slide waxed dental floss under the edge to cut adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.